Hi, this is Bill for SparkyChannel.com. Today I'd like to introduce you to the new DeWalt 20 volt max cordless stapler, which is built for residential wiring applications. It staples Romex cables to wood without damaging the cables. The stapler has a proprietary cable guide that senses the cable before firing a staple. If no cable is sensed by the stapler, no staple will be fired. The stapler is 12 inches long, 8 inches high, and it weighs 5 pounds 11 ounces with a 2 amp hour battery, so it's compact enough to easily be used between studs, floor joists, etc. It shoots 1 inch long by 3/4 inch wide insulated UL approved staples that are made by DeWalt. A clip of these staples is made up of 15 staples and 2 clips fit in the magazine. New clips are easily and quickly loaded in the gun. A box of staples has 540 staples in it, and it currently comes out to about 2.5 cents per staple. The depth of the staple is not adjustable by the user. Instead, the proprietary cable guide determines the depth of the staple. As you can see in this chart, which is found in the manual, 14.2, 14.3, 12.2, 12.3, and 10.2 cables can all be stapled down either as single cables or double stacked. 10.3 cables can only be stapled as single cables. Here I'm stapling one 12.2 Romex cable. Notice the gun leaves some breathing room between the cable and the staple. I'll discuss this and the pertinent NEC code later in the video. Here I am stapling one 14.2 Romex cable. The gun leaves some breathing room here as well. Here I'm stapling 2 stacked 14.2 Romex cables. The cables are stapled with just a little friction when they are pulled. Here I'm stapling one 12.3 cable. The cable is secured well without any damage to the cable. Here I'm stapling 2 12.3 stacked cables. The cables are secured well without any damage to the cables. This is a 14.3 cable. The staples give just a little friction when the cable is pulled. This is a 10.3 cable. The staples give just a little friction when the cable is pulled. This is a coaxial cable. The staples, once again, give just a little friction when the cable is pulled. So let's see what the NEC has to say about securing and supporting non-metallic sheathed cable. Here's Article 334.30 of the 2020 NEC. Securing and supporting non-metallic sheathed cable shall be supported and secured by staples. Cable ties listed and identified for securement and support, or straps, hangers, or similar fittings designed and installed so as not to damage the cable at intervals not exceeding 1.4 meters, that's 4.5 feet, and within 300 millimeters, that's 12 inches, of every cable entry into enclosures such as outlet boxes, junction boxes, cabinets, or fittings. Flat cables shall not be stapled on edge. In conclusion, I love this tool. I like how it staples a wide range of cables without damaging the cables, and it's compact enough to be used in cramped areas. Also, I love that it's made in the USA with global materials. I'll put a link in my video description for the DeWalt cordless cable stapler. And I'll put links for other new tools from DeWalt, such as the new cordless jigsaws, the new compact router, and the new cordless orbital sander. Thanks!